we look for meaning in the world and we assume that we will find it someplace. We think, this is what I'm looking for this meaning to look like, and then we find it. So people with backgrounds find that meaning within the frameworks that they've come to expect to find it in. Here's something you've probably never heard anyone say before. Welcome to my YouTube channel. To think, to find meaning. What is space? My name is Helen Smith. I see a lot of what I like in math in English and vice versa. I really felt like this was something maybe I was just seeing, but then the further along I went in English, the more I saw equations and math notation, and I also could see how the literary exists all around us, including in math. And so rather than prescribing to you, here's what I see of beauty, I want to engage in some of the tussles that I've seen between people who are interested in the world from the math side and on the English side. So in particular, one thing I really want to focus on in this channel is Jacques Derrida, who was this French philosopher who took ideas from this mathematician Husserl, was a mathematical philosopher, and he learned from this guy Weierstrass, who was one of the heads of real analysis, meaning he helped understand what it means for something to be continuous. If you haven't left this video, then you are my target audience. What I really would like it if you would please do is think about subscribing, think about turning notifications on, thinking about liking the video, and thinking about leaving a comment. And instead of just thinking about those things, you could even do it. These days, YouTube uses more of a click-through model rather than a subscriber model. So if you subscribe, you may never see my stuff ever again. What is at stake when I talk about this math stuff, it isn't just me thinking, oh, math is cool. Instead, it is this. We look for meaning in the world and we assume that we will find it someplace. We think, this is what I'm looking for this meaning to look like, and then we find it. So people with backgrounds will find that meaning within the frameworks that they've come to expect to find it in. And we really need something to tell us, this is what this is. And that's a lot of what happens on the math side, and also what happens on the lit side, is this sense of, we're going to construct meaning. How could we tell the aliens what things are what?